Hi guys, I'm Divyansh, and currently I'm in fifth semester, or you can say I'm just entered into the third year, and this is I'm just it is like around one month have been passed, and I'm starting a challenge which is you can say it's a winter arc, and where this is the agenda of this challenge, and I don't know how this challenge going to be happen, but I'm just starting out because I have already spent lots of time in theoretical understanding and not doing actual coding by myself. So just to enhance my skills, I'm recording this journey so that at one day I can able to say that yeah I was not able to do that, but at that time I am able to do that. So I'm just starting this challenge to enhance my progress and to become independent to write code, not just by using AI, so that like like tell like first thing, let me just show you like what I have did till now. So when I was just in first year, I entered into the college. This is basically a tier 3 college, and I was in first semester. Then I attended a hackathon. It was a kind of new experience for me, and I was just surrounded with a college environment. I didn't did anything more party and stuff like related like that stuff. I was kind of very far away from that kind of environment. I didn't enjoyed like that party, so much party that I can't I am on, I was like myself not interested in that, so I didn't join that. In the second sem, when I came and I was more into the video, or you can say I was in the tutorial hall. So I basically learned something with that also. Also I was in learning another thing, because I was just exploring my first year. So I was interested in music production, so I just learned about this music kind of theory. And I was also interested about some you can say this, there is something another thing, I explored another field as well, so which I not uh, comfortable to share it here. So I am not sharing that thing. Also there is the third sem. uh, Third sem is like I was doing exploring the core subjects. As you know that we have subjects are COA, computer architecture and design. So I was exploring that in depth, because teachers typically teach the concepts in a theoretical manner, whatever comes in our syllabus. So they just was doing and teaching that stuff, but I was doing another thing. Like I was doing ahead of that, like I was exploring in more depth like how actually the things actually working in inside our computer when you click on the keyboard, then what is happening behind the scene. So this took me around 3 months, so I was just exploring this way. And I was kind of also introduced to this DevOps concept, and I explored this way Kubernetes and Docker. So this is how my third sem of second year went. And in the fourth sem, I just explored another fields like machine learning, and I was kind of interested to have hardware things like so I explored that side. And also was what you can say, I was kind of having a tuberculosis on my neck. As you can see, this is the tuberculosis which is happened in me in my fourth semester, which consumed me my some time, and I was not able to study because there was a pain here, so I can't able to study. So in the fourth semester, this is how my fourth semester has been. But still I learned some about things like this machine learning and hardware, whatever I can do. So now what is my currently plan, like as I am in third year right now and placements are on the way, and I have to grab any place like offer. So I'm not much confident still for the coding part, because I was not actually implementing the things by myself, and I was already so much dependent on the AI to do the code and all this stuff. So what I've decided right now, that this is right now winter arc, and today is 2 October, as you can see there is on my display. So today is 2 October, and I'm just starting this winter arc challenge of 100 days of learning real coding. I have approx mentioned this timing, like 7 hours minimum I have to do. I have to give in, like given this time I will be giving this time, because I'm in a college student. So college also wants the 75% criteria, so I have to fulfill that. So I didn't exceed it much, and I just actually um, written here like minimum 7 hours. And if there is some holiday I can exceed further, and I will mention it in other videos. So this is all like the winter arc challenge. And the current plan is that I was more was dependent on the AI, and I was not writing the code by myself. I was not using my muscle power so that I can write the code by myself. And so that's why, for reducing that effect, I have I'm just starting this challenge. So this is like no more tutorial hell and no more AI code. So this is the subtitle, like I will be following this, and every day like I will be learning new code in my head, whatever I have come, and whatever I new logic I have uh, learned. So this is the target. And this is like I'll be taking a target, like I'll be making any application, however how much, how complex it may be, but I will try to complete at least in 1 week, at least the MVP model. I just have to prepare it. So this is the first app I have just reading. I'm doing that. This is Notion clone, and also this is a this there is also additional features of that, like I'll be integrating the Obsidian kind of feature there. So this is the basically this is my first project, and I will say this is around 1 to 7 October. I think I can like I can do around like 9 October. So this is the timeline I'm just taking for this app. So I will start from this from uh, today itself. And I will also be doing the freelancing work. So this is all I'm doing for the real coding stuff. And what is my fifth sem planning is that I have to learn this real coding stuff. Like I want to implement the thing by myself rather than depending on the AI, because AI write only the messy code. I didn't able to progress much in that way. So that's why I'm just to pick up um, this challenge. So so that I can write my code by myself. uh, and the sixth, like it's like fifth sem planning. And the sixth sem is like when my projects are ready, I will be applying for the jobs. And maybe I can apply from here as well, like for the front end role. But from here I will be applying for the front end and back end role both. And this is all my planning right now, and I will be updating this 100 code days of real coding challenge on my YouTube channel. So this is all about my challenge. And yeah, I'll meet you in another video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.